How to add templates to your zipForm account. Now, I never understood why agents don't utilize the power of templates. What's nice about templates, and we've done this for our agents for years, is that you could have everything bundled. So if you're going to do a transaction, say a purchase or a listing or income, it's all the forms are all there ready to go. So obviously you need to have a template first, but you could have maybe one transaction you've had before. So let's say that I want to keep this, I can make this in a template, but we're going to go ahead and use the template that we provide from Hunter Mason. So previously we had you download that template to your computer. So to add that template to your profile, very, very easy. Launch zipForms. Now this is again the main menu bar, and you'll see there's an option called templates. When I click on templates, now if you have not installed it, your templates will be blank. In my case, I've already included and uploaded the templates from that particular file. So we have templates, residential lease, purchase, listing agreement. That's what's in this file. To add your templates to your account, all you do is click import. zipForms will launch a dialog box requesting where is the location of the file. We saved it to our desktop. So I'm going to go ahead and click browse for a file. And I'm going to look for it. It's going to be a zip file. The name of the file is Hunter Mason Transaction Templates.zip. When I select that and click open, and then click the OK button, it will take the transaction templates we provide at Harcourt's Hunter Mason and install it into your desktop. So let's say we pretend we did that. It's all installed. So now we have the template. We'll look at the residential lease. And you see here you can modify a template as well. Cover sheets there, disclosure, lease, any addenda. So all this stuff's all ready for you to go. So when you create a new transaction, your templates are there. Very easy, very powerful, and it saves you a ton of time. Highly recommend. Hope you enjoy this.